Hello, everyone, and welcome to DePauw University, a private liberal arts college with an amazing history and even brighter future. If you're looking for academic excellence on a close-knit campus with great professors, you'll want to stick around for this. Located here in Greencastle, Indiana, DePauw is at the crossroads of the Midwest, right in the middle of Indianapolis, Chicago, and St. Louis. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next 30 minutes, we're going to walk this beautiful campus and hear about the people and traditions that have drawn students to DePauw for 185 years. Graduates of this small school in America's heartland have traveled to outer space, won the Nobel Prize, founded media empires, and served at the highest levels of government. Today, we'll meet the new generation of DePauw students who carry that torch of leadership forward. Welcome to DePauw University. This is the College Tour.